Hey, book buddies, how are you doing today? So sadly, my book has not come in yet that I ordered for Captain Awesome book number 2. It hasn't come in yet. So, but that's okay. I found one of my favorite books by the author of Silverstein. He writes poems. So I picked out some poems and I'm just going to read those to you, okay? And these are fun. So I hope you enjoy. All right, the first one is called, whoops, don't want to lose my place on the other ones. The first one is called Somebody Has to. Somebody has to go polish the stars. They're looking a little bit dull. Somebody has to go polish the stars, for the eagles and starlings and gulls have all been complaining they're tarnished and worn. They say they want new ones we cannot afford. So please get your rags and your polishing jars. Somebody has to go polish the stars. There he is, polishing the stars. All right, here's another one. I know y'all can relate to this one. It's called Messy Room. Whose ever room this is should be ashamed. His underwear is hanging on the lamp. His raincoat is there in the overstuffed chair, and the chair is becoming quite mucky and damp. His workbook is wedged in the window. His sweater's been thrown on the floor. His scarf and one ski are beneath the TV, and his pants have been carelessly hung on the door. His books are all jammed in the closet. His vest has been left in the hall. A lizard named Ed is asleep in his bed, and his smelly old sock has been stuck to the wall. Whoever's room this is should be ashamed. Donald or Robert or Willie or... Uh-huh? You say it's mine? Oh, dear. I knew it looked familiar. All right. Here's another poem. The me who with an exactly what? Knock, knock. Who's there? Me. Me who? That's right. What's right? Me who? That's what I want to know. What's what you want to know? Me who? Yes, exactly. Exactly what? Yes, I have an exactly what on a chain. Exactly what on a chain? Yes. Yes, what? No, exactly what? That's what I want to know. I told you exactly what? Exactly what? Yes. Yes, what? Yes, it's with me. What's with you? Exactly what? That's what's with me. Me who? Yes. Go away. Knock, knock. Pretty funny. All right. This one's called 1, 2. Oh my goodness, this fly. 1, 2, buckle my shoe. Buckle your own shoe. Who said that? I did. What are you doing those silly buckles on your shoes anyway? 3, 4, shut the door. You shut it. You opened it. 5, 6, pick up sticks. Why? Why should I pick them up? Do you think I'm your slave? Buckle my shoe, shut the door, pick up sticks. Next thing you'll be telling me to lay them straight. But it's only a poem. 9, 10, a big fat... Oh, never mind. That one doesn't have a picture. That one was pretty cute. Okay. Here's our last one. I hope I can get through this. This one's a tongue twister. It's called Pomesicle. If you add sickle to your pop, would he become a popsicle? Would a mop become a mopsicle? Would a cop become a copsicle? Would a chop become a chopsicle? Would a drop become a dropsicle? Would a hop become a hopsicle? I guess it is time to stop sickle. Or is it time sickle to stop stickle? Hey, sickle, I can't stop sickle. Oh, sickle, my sickle will sickle, is sickle, have sickle, to sickle, talk sickle, lie sickle, this sickle, forever sickle. Huh, sickle? All right, guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed those poems, and hopefully my book will come in today's mail. Sorry, there is a fly bothering me. He wants to join in on our story time. All right, guys. Bye.